Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off vibrate on tap on Redmi mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first here you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on it, you have to scroll like this, okay, and you have to click on this sound and vibration. So just click on it. After you have been click on it, again you have to scroll. I'm just scrolling this slow so that you can see the video nicely. You can check the screen nicely. So here is the vibrate on tab, and if you want to use, just click on this option, and here the many options are there. For options, the first option it says off, second option light, third option medium, fourth option strong. So this is the vibrate for the tab. Okay, so if you want to set the light vibrate on tab, you just click on light vibrate, and if you want to set the medium vibrate, just click on medium vibrate, and if you want to set the strong vibrate, just click on strong vibrate. Okay, and especially if you want to off, then just click on off. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.